New cream offers hope for vitiligo patients in England. A groundbreaking cream targeting the root cause of vitiligo will now be available to National Health Service (NHS) patients in England, marking a significant step forward in treating the condition. Clinical trials show the new ruxolitinib cream effectively restores pigmentation in areas affected by vitiligo, though its introduction has sparked debate given the condition's non-life-threatening nature. Understanding vitiligo and the new treatment vitiligo affects roughly 1% of the global population, causing symmetrical white patches to appear on the skin due to the immune system attacking melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing melanin, which gives skin its color. Until now, treatments like steroid creams offered limited relief by broadly suppressing immune function. This new treatment, sold as Opzelura in the US, directly inhibits the enzymes that trigger immune cells to destroy melanocytes. Two trials published in 2022 demonstrated that the drug increased pigmentation and reduced patch visibility compared to placebo, with benefits lasting over a year in many patients who stopped using it after the trial. Why the change? Cost-effectiveness reconsidered. The National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, NICE, initially deemed ruxolitinib too expensive for NHS use. However, recent reassessment has led to approval for patients aged 12 and up whose vitiligo doesn't respond to other topical treatments. This shift acknowledges the psychological impact of the condition, which can lead to depression and anxiety despite lacking physical symptoms. Safety and side effects. While an oral version of ruxolitinib carries risks like lymphoma and heart problems, the topical cream has shown only mild side effects in trials, primarily acne and itching. Experts also note that it may be safer than long-term steroid use, which can thin the skin. Perspectives on treatment. Not everyone seeks medical intervention for vitiligo. Some, like Natalie Ambersley, a vitiligo ambassador for Changing Faces, have embraced their skin as it is. Yet, Emma Rush of Vitiligo Support UK emphasizes that this choice isn't universal, and the new treatment provides options for those who desire them. It's great that there are people who love the skin they're in, but that's not for everyone, Rush states, highlighting the importance of individual autonomy in treatment decisions. The availability of ruxolitinib represents a landmark advancement, offering targeted relief for a condition that, while not fatal, profoundly impacts quality of life for many.